Most people think building their dream home in Arizona means stretching every dollar until it breaks. But what if I told you that right now in 2026, in Kingman, Arizona, you can build a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom Barndominium with a fully functional workshop for significantly less than what a basic traditional home costs in the same area? And I'm not talking about cutting corners. I am talking about a real, livable, durable home with serious workshop space on your own land in one of the most strategically located cities in the entire Southwest. Kingman sits right between Las Vegas and Phoenix. You get Arizona land prices, Mohave County building flexibility, mild desert elevation, and no state income tax headaches eating into your build budget. The numbers here are genuinely compelling, and today we are going to break all of it down, honestly, including the costs that other videos conveniently forget to mention. Before we dive in, if you are serious about alternative housing, barndominiums, or building on rural land, subscribe right now and hit that notification bell. We cover these topics in depth every week, and this channel exists to give you real information, not hype. Now stay with me because the cost breakdown in the middle of this video is something you do not want to miss. Why Kingman, Arizona? Let us start with location because location drives cost more than most people realize. Kingman is the county seat of Mohave County and sits at roughly 3,300 feet elevation, which means milder summers than Phoenix, cooler nights, and a genuinely livable desert climate. The population is around 35,000 people, which is large enough to have reliable contractors and suppliers, but small enough that land is still seriously affordable. Rural land near Kingman currently averages $4,365 per acre, according to 2026 Land Search data, and there are over 700 active listings. You can find 2 to 5 acre parcels for $5,000 to $35,000, depending on location and road access. Compare that to land around Phoenix or Scottsdale, where you are looking at $50,000 to $200,000 per acre. Kingman is a different world financially. Mohave County uses the 2018 International Building Codes and operates under a straightforward permitting structure through the Development Services Building Division. Metal buildings and barndominiums are permitted and well understood here. This is not a jurisdiction fighting your alternative housing choice. The county has processed hundreds of these builds, and contractors in the area are familiar with the process. One more thing about location. Kingman is 123 miles from Las Vegas and about 190 miles from Phoenix. That means you can source materials from 2 major metro areas and get competitive pricing. That geographic advantage alone saves money on every material order. The build, what we are actually building for this video, we are pricing a specific build, a 50 by 60 barndominium, which gives you 300 total square feet. The layout splits into 12,000 square feet of living space containing 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, open concept kitchen and living area, utility room and covered porch, plus 1,000 square feet of dedicated workshop space with 2 overhead doors, reinforced concrete, 220V electrical, and its own side entry. This is a single-story slab foundation build, standard barndominium metal frame construction with mid-range interior finishes, not luxury, not bare bones. Something a real family can live in comfortably. Full cost breakdown, line by line. Let us talk real numbers. Arizona barndominium costs in 2026 run between $100 and $200 per square foot for finished living space depending on finish level. In Kingman specifically, labor costs are lower than Phoenix and significantly lower than the coastal markets, which works in your favor. Land. 5 acres of rural land in the Kingman area in 2026 will run you approximately $20,000 to $35,000 based on current listings. We will budget $0 for a solid usable parcel with road access. Site preparation. Desert land in this area is generally flat and requires minimal grading compared to mountainous terrain. Expect $4,000 to $8,000 for clearing, grading, and basic site prep. We budget $6,000. Foundation. A 50 by 60 concrete slab at 6 inches thick, which is required for the workshop section, runs approximately $18,000 to $26,000 in Kingman. We budget $22,000. Building kit and shell. A 50 by 60 metal building kit in 2026 runs approximately $38,000 to $55,000 for materials. Add assembly labor at $10,000 to $15,000 and custom end walls with windows and doors at $10,000 to $14,000. Total shell cost, $72,000. Insulation. Spray foam insulation for a 3,000 square foot metal building in Arizona runs $150 to $350 per square foot applied. For a full envelope including walls and ceiling, budget $15,000 to $18,000. In the Arizona desert climate, this investment is non-negotiable. Summer temperatures in Kingman reach 105 degrees. Without quality insulation, your VAC system works itself to death. We budget $16,500. HVAC. A properly sized HVAC system for a 2,000 square foot living area in Arizona desert climate runs $12,000 to $18,000 installed for a quality split system. The workshop gets a separate mini split or evaporative cooler for approximately $2,500 to $4,000. Total HVAC budget, $17,000. Plumbing. Rough-in plumbing for 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, plus kitchen and utility room in Kingman runs approximately $18,000 to $26,000, depending on run lengths and fixture quality. We budget $21,000. Electrical. A complete electrical system including panel, rough-in wiring, fixtures, and 220-volt circuits for the workshop runs $16,000 to $22,000 in Mohave County. We budget $18,000. Interior framing and drywall. Building interior walls to create 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and living spaces inside a metal shell runs $18,000 to $26,000. We budget $22,000. Flooring. Mid-range flooring across 2,000 square feet of living space runs approximately $8,000 to $14,000. We budget $11,000. Kitchen and bathrooms. A functional mid-range kitchen with solid wood cabinets, stone counters, and standard appliances runs $22,000 to $35,000. 2 mid-range bathrooms run $8,000 to $14,000 combined. We budget $38,000 total. Interior doors, trim, paint. Doors, trim, and paint throughout the living space runs approximately $9,000 to $13,000. We budget $10,500. Workshop finishes. The 1,000 square foot workshop gets reinforced 6-inch concrete already accounted for in the slab, plus 2 14 by 12 overhead doors at $4,500 each. LED shop lighting at $3,500, 220-volt outlets and circuits at $4,000, and basic paint and seal at $500. Workshop total, $18,000. Well and water system. Mohave County rural properties almost universally require a private well. Drilling a well in the Kingman area runs $8,000 to $18,000 depending on depth. In this area, water is typically found at 200 to 500 feet. Budget $4,000, including pump, pressure tank, and connections. Septic system. Septic tank installation in Kingman in 2026 averages $4,115 to $5,879 for the tank itself based on current local data, but a full system including leach field, permits, and perk test runs $10,000 to $20,000. We budget about $14,000. Permits and engineering. Mohave County building permits and required structural engineering for a Barndominium of this size run approximately $4,000 to $7,000. Budget $5,500. Driveway and parking. A gravel or caliche driveway in the desert, which is standard in Kingman, runs $4,000 to $9,000 depending on length. We budget $6,000. Covered porch. A 12 by 30 covered metal porch attached to the living end adds approximately $8,000 to $14,000. We budget $10,000. In Arizona, this is not optional. It is a survival feature, contingency buffer. Every honest builder and project manager will tell you to set aside 10 to 15% for surprises. On a project this size that is $30,000 to $45,000, we budget $32,000. Total project cost summary land, $25,000 site prep, $6,000 foundation, $22,000 building kit and shell, $72,000 insulation, $16,500 HVAC, $17,000 plumbing, $21,000 electrical, $18,000 interior framing and drywall, $22,000 flooring, $11,000 kitchen and bathrooms, $38,000 interior doors, trim, paint, $10,500 workshop finishes, $18,000 well and water, $14,000 septic system, $14,000 permits and engineering, $5,500 driveway, $6,000 covered porch, $10,000 contingency, $32,000 grand total, $378,500. That is approximately $126 per square foot for everything, including land, septic, and contingency. Strip out the land and utilities, and the build itself comes in around $109 per square foot which is right in line with current Arizona Barndominium pricing for mid-range builds. A comparable 3-bedroom, 2-bath, traditional stick-built home in the Kingman area runs $300 per square foot or more in 2026. That same home, without a workshop, without land, would cost roughly $450,000 to $550,000. You are building more usable square footage with a fully functional workshop for less than what a traditional build costs without one. The build timeline. What to actually expect here is what honest 2026 data says about Barndominium build timelines. According to a detailed analysis published in April 2026, a properly executed Barndominium takes 9 to 14 months from first design conversation to move in. Anyone promising faster timelines is compressing critical phases. Here is how it breaks down realistically in Kingman. Months 1 and 2 cover design and planning. You are selecting your floor plan, working with a structural engineer familiar with Arizona codes, finalizing your layout, and preparing permit-ready drawings. Mohave County Development Services processes permits on a reasonably efficient timeline. Factor 6 to 8 weeks for permit approval after submittal. Months 3 and 4 cover site work and foundation. Well drilling perk test, septic design approval, land clearing, grading, and pouring your slab happen here. The slab alone takes 2 to 3 weeks to properly cure in Arizona heat, which actually works in your favor compared to colder climates. Months 4 and 5 cover the shell erection. Once your kit arrives, a professional crew erects the metal frame and shell in 5 to 10 business days. This is the fastest visual progress you will see on the whole project, and it is genuinely impressive. Months 5 through 8 cover rough-in systems. Spray foam insulation goes in first, then interior framing, then plumbing rough-in, electrical rough-in, and HVAC installation. Each trade requires inspections before the next phase begins. In Mohave County, the inspection scheduling is relatively straightforward, but still plan 1 to 2 weeks buffer for each major inspection milestone. Months 8 through 11 cover interior finishes. Drywall, flooring, cabinets, countertops, fixtures, trim, and paint. This phase is where the home truly comes to life, and it is also where DIY owners can save the most money by doing finished work themselves. Month 12 covers final inspections, certificate of occupancy, exterior work, driveway, porch completion, and move-in. Realistic expectation for a contractor-managed build in Kingman, 10 to 13 months start to finish. If you are owner building and managing subcontractors yourself, add 3 to 5 months and build that into your planning. The honest challenges of this build. We are keeping it real here. There are legitimate challenges you need to know before you commit site. Water access is the #1 due diligence issue in Mohave County. Before you buy any land, you need to verify the depth to water on that parcel. Some areas near Kingman drill at 200 feet. Others go 600 feet or deeper, which can push well costs to $25,000 to $35,000 dollars and destroy your budget. Do your well research before you buy the land. The Arizona Department of Water Resources has public records you can access for free. Contractor availability in Kingman is better than in truly remote rural areas, but still limited compared to Phoenix. Plan to vet Barndominium experienced contractors early. Do not wait until you have permits in hand. Start conversations with general contractors and key subcontractors during your planning phase. Financing remains more complex for Barndominiums than traditional homes in 2026. Many conventional lenders still categorize these as non-traditional structures. Your realistic options include construction to permanent loans at 20 to 25% down, USTA rural development loans if the parcel qualifies, local Arizona credit unions that understand the Barndominium market, and land equity loans if you own land already. Do your financing homework before you fall in love with a floor plan. Summer construction heat in Kingman is a real logistical factor. July and August temperatures hit 100 to 108 degrees. Experienced Arizona contractors schedule heavy concrete and outdoor work for spring and fall. Your timeline should account for reduced productivity and safety requirements during peak summer months. Is this build right for you? This specific build makes the most sense if you want to own your land and your home outright over time with no HOA, need a serious workshop for personal use, business operations, vehicle storage, or equipment, want to build in a low-cost Arizona market with long-term appreciation potential, are comfortable with a 10 to 13-month build process, and have access to construction financing or cash to fund the project. This build is harder to justify if you need conventional mortgage financing, immediately are buying in an area with restrictive zoning that is hostile to metal buildings, want a neighborhood setting with nearby amenities, or need the project done in under 6 months. Kingman, Arizona in 2026 is genuinely one of the best places in the entire country to build a barndominium with workshop. The land is affordable, the county is permitting friendly, the climate works in your favor for construction timing, and the strategic location between Las Vegas and Phoenix gives you supply chain and contractor advantages that rural areas in other states simply do not have. The numbers speak for themselves. A 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom barndominium with a 1,000 square foot workshop on 5 acres of your own land, fully built out for under $380,000 all in. That is not fantasy pricing. That is what real builds in this market cost in 2026 at mid-range finishes. The key is going in prepared. Know your water situation before you buy land. Start your contractor conversations early. Build your contingency into the budget from day one. Understand the realistic timeline and do not let anyone rush you through the permit and foundation phases. Those are the phases where shortcuts cost you the most money later. If this video helped you understand what it actually costs to build a barndominium in Kingman, Arizona, hit that like button and subscribe. We go deep on real costs, real build timelines, and real alternative housing every single week. Drop your questions in the comments below. If you are planning a build in Arizona or anywhere else in the Southwest, ask your specific questions, and we will do our best to answer everyone. See you in the next video.